So excited to announce, guys, sa lahat ng mga onliners dyan ng Alliance in Motion Global or AIM Global for short, within the next few weeks na lang, not months, we'll be launching AIM World. With AIM World, we will be legal in 200 countries worldwide. Kami po, ang company ang magdi-deliver nitong dalawang product ng AIM World door-to-door in 200 countries worldwide. So kahit nasaan ka man, nasang bansa ka man, Taiwan, Singapore, China, US, Canada, Russia, buong Europe, the company, kami po magdi-deliver door-to-door sa mga bahay nyo itong dalawang product na ilo-launch natin under AIM World. Credit card payment online, Western Union payment, PayPal payment, diretso po sa account ng company at kami po ang magsisilbi sa inyo. Pagdating ng products or ng global pack, may kasama ng ATM at ID ka agad. So, ganyan kabilis, ganyan ka-specific, ganyan ka-convenient ang gagawin namin pagserbisyo sa inyo. The two products that we're launching, the flagship product is called iProtect. It's a Japanese technology made in US, triple patent. Naka-triple patent po ito sa buong mundo. It's the first of this kind na product sa buong mundo. Napaka-unique po nito, abangan nyo yan. At yung pangalawang product, CareLift, para sa mga may sakit sa katawan. Dalawang product na consumable na nauubos para may repeat order at may repeat business, may residual income. Abangan niyo yan within the next few weeks. We're gonna upload our website sa aimworld.today at iprotect247.today tsaka carelift.today. Again, this is Doc Ed saying, power sa lahat ng mga onliner, AIM World.